everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a smart bird feeder. Like, how cool is this? So we're going to be able to watch our birds as they feed. So I'll show you guys what it looks like here, and we will kind of assemble it up, and I'll show you a video in one of these corners here, hopefully of some birds. I might have to hack into my mom's bird feeder because I gave her one of these, and just see what hers looks like, because it's kind of chilly here and I don't know if there's any birds. But let's show you all what it looks like here. So we're getting there. So this is what the camera will look like and the bird feeder will look like here. Really nice. And it looks like it unclips from here to flip up. And here's more pieces and parts. Okay. And so let's move this and this. Let's trade places here. And so here is the mounting bracket there. And here is our instructions. I'll put those right here. And then here, let's see what these pieces are. If it opens, okay. Okay, so here's more of the pieces and parts, and we have our solar panel. Okay, so I'll show you guys, I'll open up the solar panel. So this is how it's gonna charge. So what's cool about this is you'll have to sit outside just anywhere where there's Wi-Fi, and then you will connect this up into the back. There's an open port here, and you can plug it in right there. So that's where it'll plug in. So, or actually the way you're supposed to do it is just like that. Keep the rubber thing closed like that, and then plug it in, and then it'll be waterproof as well. So there you go, there's that. We can open up the back here if we need to for something. I don't even know what's in there. I don't even know how it opens. I've never opened up one of the backs of one of these things before, and I will never open it up again. Okay, so here we go. So that's how we're gonna get our solar from that to that. So those are our two pieces there. And this is our little part of our feeder. And this here, and we have a strap, we have an antenna. Let me just see all the parts. Okay, so this will go on here. So give our birds a perch to sit on. Oh, can you see? Give our birds a perch to sit on right there, which is nice. This here is our mounting bracket for our solar panel. So the way it will work is we can mount this onto something, and like onto the fence or onto the wall, and then our solar panel will be, I'm gonna unplug it for right now, but it will be mounted up to it. Let me tighten this up here for a sec. Okay, so then we have that mounted to the wall, and then our solar panel, multi-directional. We're just gonna aim it to where it gets some sun throughout the day. Doesn't use a ton of electricity, so if it's a cloudy day or something, it's not that big of a deal. And then that will be, for that part of it, comes with the screws as well. We have a little feeding dish here. I think if you're gonna put some liquid things in there, you can use that. What are all these pieces? I'm not even sure. Well, I know what this in here is the antenna, so we'll put the antenna on the back of our feeder. So then we can get to our Wi-Fi, because we will definitely need to connect it to Wi-Fi. And then we do have a USB to USB-C cord if we needed to charge it or do something with it manually, so that's fine. And then let's see what we got here. And oh, this is an alternate mounting way. So we have two different ways to mount it. We can mount it, I'm just gonna dump all this stuff in here. We can mount it from, where'd that bracket go? Oh, this bracket here. We would mount this to the wall, and then this to there like that. You see there? And then we can screw this thing, I think, into the bottom of it. Let me see, where is it go? It's a pretty far distance. Is it this screw? No, it's gonna be a different screw. This one here. Okay, so let me show you. It's this screw here will go into there, but it'll go through this, which is why they gave you that little wrench. So I guess we'll do that. Okay. So here's the wrench, here's the screw, and so we can just go like this, line it up somewhere in there. Okay, so we've got that. We've got this mounted to a wall or anything we want. Or if we wanted to, we could run the straps through here, around here, and put it around a tree or anything we want. So that's kind of our way to get that going. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Let me just open up the manual and see what else we're missing here. Where did I do with it? I don't know. Oh, right here. So it does come with mounting, guide. So if you want to drill the holes ahead of time, you're able to. Those little sticky things go up there. So let's see, those were somewhere in here. So we could put these here. I'm not sure exactly what they're for. I've never seen those on a camera before, but now we have it. Okay, maybe it's just something to guide the birds into the right direction. That's what that looks like there. So, fruit holders, that's what those are. Oh, I guess I've seen them with the spikes before. So you could put a strawberry or something like that on there if you're trying to do something like that. And a jelly feeder, if you're trying to get like hummingbirds or something like that, you can use those. So let's see what else we have going on here. I think everything else is right in there. Setting up the camera is gonna be super simple. It's connecting it to one of the apps that's for it. Let me see if it says what app it uses here at the end here. Let's see. And it did come with an SD card, I saw, so we're able to put an SD card. Comes with an SD card that is 32 gigabytes, which is a good sized one. And that one we are able to put into the camera. And if you look at it, that's what the opening the back is for. This one here, the camera actually comes out the back, it looks like. So the other ones I had came out the front. So that's what we're gonna have to do is pull that out. So here. So now that we have the camera out, and the camera has its own battery in there too and stuff, so that's good. But in here, you can see we have the ability to put our SD card right in there. And then when we want to set it up, we kind of hold the button down, I think, and then it'll turn on. If it's anything like I've done before, yes. And then once we get to the point in the setup where we want to scan the device, it'll show up with a QR code with the network settings, and that's where it'll show it up there. So we don't need to do that right now, but I will do that, and then I'll show you the result when it's done. But I'll turn it off for right now. That's cool the way the camera came out the back like that. Makes it easy to clean and stuff. And then here is the app. It's called the Vico Home app. So that's what we'll use to run this particular bird feeder. And then from there, we can set up all our different settings on the app. So I'll show you guys the app and have it running up in a corner to show you guys what the birds look like. And very cool. I like this one. Thumbs up for sure.